groundbreaking at what will be the new Taunton City Hall, downtown. The mayor, city councilors, the representatives of the construction company, and the architects. Everyone's down here. And there's Debbie Carr's grandson doing a little digging. Councilor Deb Carr. Heave ho, heave ho. So everyone seems to be pleased. There's the mayor. And this is a $26–27 million project for the city to rebuild. The old City Hall has been closed off since an arson fire in 2010. This is the rear of the original building. There'll be an addition to this building, as well as a separate building to the side here where the equipment is right now. And that building will be used for city council chambers and an office, separate office. Any comment, Councilor Borges? Estelle? Any comment about today's groundbreaking?
About the groundbreaking?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I'm sorry. So you're excited about it. You were a member of which? You were a member of a committee, right?
Interior committee.
What did the Interior Committee do?
All the design work on the inside. So super excited to be here. Glad that we're groundbreaking today. I feel like City Hall is the center of gravity for our downtown, and very pleased to be here. So thank you.
Thank you.